Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today we are making something very comforting for the winter weather. We are making chili con carne. First we are going to start by heating up some oil in a pan and we begin sauteing our onions. While at that, we are going to go ahead and blend some ginger, garlic, onions, leeks and spring onion. Then we are going to add this mixture into the pan. Then stir for a minute or two before adding your black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some basil, and some oregano. And of course, we keep stirring just to incorporate everything. So for protein, we are going to be throwing in some minced beef because it's my favorite. I prefer it to pork. But of course, you can go for whichever protein you want. If you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on now, go click on that subscribe button. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. At this point, I'll add in my vegetable stock powder and I just keep stirring. So after sauteing our minced meat for a while, it's time to throw in some chopped tomatoes. Let it simmer for a bit and then add in some water. At this point, we are going to close the pot and let it cook for about 45 minutes. The secret to a delicious chili con carne is to let your tomato cook for as long as it can to reduce the sour taste. When it starts looking like this, then you know it's time to add in your kidney beans. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cans of kidney beans. I'll make sure to leave all the ingredients in the description box below. And now we just keep stirring and incorporating everything together before it's time to add in our corn. Here I'm just using a palm full of corn, not so much. And we just let everything simmer and yeah, we're almost done with the recipe. Look at how delicious that looks. Oh my god. This right here is the definition of a comfort meal. So warm, so tasty, so flavorful. And I'm having mine with some fried plantain on the side. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. I appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.